Welcome to Life of Chikki. We are with Nakula and Chikki in the game board of Nakula's Exploration. They have come step by step and reached Unit 5, where they get information that few of the animals are missing. And they are talking to Mr. Python, who appears to be talking more to himself than to Nakula and Chikki. He has told them all about the zoo manners, about the penguins, about the chimpanzee, about all the other animals too. And now let's find out where these little animals are missing and how will Nakula and Chikki find them. The python says, I think I know where they are. Nakula and Chikki are listening intently, waiting patiently to find out if there is anything they can find out. The python continues. One day, a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Ouch! The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I must tell the king. On the way, he met Henny Penny. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. I will come too, said Henny Penny. And off they went to find the king. Soon they met Cocky Locky. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I'm going to tell the king. I will come too, said Cocky Locky. And off they went to find the king. On the way, they met Lucky Ducky. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I'm going to tell the king. I will come too, quack quack, said Lucky Ducky. And off they went to find the king. On the way, they met Woozy Woozy. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I'm going to tell the king. I will come too, said Woozy Woozy. And off they went to find the king. On the way, they met Foxy Foxy. The sky is going to fall, they all said. We are going to tell the king. The king lives here, said Foxy Foxy. Follow me. And that was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky, and Cozy Cozy. Quack quack. Foxy Foxy will know where they are, said the python. Probably you will never see them again. Saying this, the python went back to sleep. Nakula and Chikki knew exactly where to find the animals. They went in search of Foxy Foxy. There he was near the fort. Looked like he was getting ready for a feast. But wait a minute, where were the animals? When the Foxy Foxy went inside his kitchen, Nakula followed him. He heard some sounds. He saw that the animals were kept inside a big box. He had to do something fast. He went running to find his friend Chikki. He had a plan in his mind. Chikki went to the entrance and rang the bell. Foxy Foxy said, Oh, who was that now? What a disturbance, I say. By the time he answered the door, Chikki was nowhere to be seen. In the kitchen, Nakula helped the animals escape. Chikki helped them get out of the fort. Foxy came in, only to see that his meal was missing. "Oh no!" he said, shocked and disappointed at the same time. What a day it was for Nakula and Chikki. They saved Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky and Goosey Goosey, all thanks to the python. A day that needs to be celebrated by playing the Arise and Dare games. Aren't you willing to find out what will be their next adventure? Will it be as interesting as saving the funny bunny and his friends? Let's find out in Nakula's Exploration. If you want to join us on this journey of life of Chikki, then please subscribe to this channel. Share it with everyone who loves to learn like the Pandavas. Visit our website arisegurukulam.com to join Arise India now.